So for 9.7 example number 1, and this is in your textbook, we're given 3 trigonometric ratios that we have to actually find the approximation of. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use the calculator to find out what tangent of 150 degrees is. And then sine of 120 degrees. And then cosine of 95 degrees. And we're just going to, this is honestly going to be really easy. We're just going to plug it into a calculator. So on my first one, I'm just going to say tangent of 150 degrees, close the parentheses, and we get a negative 0.57. And we're asked to round to the 4th decimal place, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to round to the 4th place, I'm going to look at the 5th place over, which is a 5 or greater, so then I'm going to have to round that up. So this becomes negative 0.5774. And since we're rounding, I'm going to change this to an approximate symbol. And actually, I'm going to have to change all of these to approximation symbols, because I think we're going to have to round every one of these. None of these are going to come out to a nice integer. So now for the next one, this is going to be real easy. We're just going to hit sine of 120 degrees. And again, if I'm rounding to the 4th decimal place, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I look at the one to the right, which is actually the 5th decimal place. It's 4 or less than 4, so I round down. So this just becomes 0.8660. And then for the last one, I'm just going to take cosine of 95 degrees. And I get, I'm going to go over for 1, 2, 3, 4. To the right of that is 0.5. So if I just write that in, that means I'm going to round up. So this will be 0.872. Oh, I forgot a 0. There's an extra 0 in there. So let's put that extra 0 in, because it does make a difference. And that's it for example number 1. Just plug it into your calculator.